Hello everyone, welcome to my show. As all of you know that coronavirus is spreading rapidly all over the world and as well as in our country. And active cases in our country is 3,50,000 and as of latest status, and active cases in country is 1,20,000, and from coronavirus 1,90,000 people have recovered from it, and death cases in our country is more than 12,000. So in the 19th day of unlock 1.0, I am going to show one demography on how to make PP kit at your home. In a very easy way, you can prepare a PP kit at your home also. So because it is very necessary to be safe from the coronavirus. So now Modi also have announced that now corona has become the part of our life. We have to live with it. Then how we can live it? While taking proper precaution. So we have to take precaution about it. There is one line in English that prevention is better than cure. So with proper precaution, we have to move on in our life. Now let us come to the demonstration. For this demonstration, we need slide sheet from which I am going to make PP. And this slide sheet you can find at market, especially in the stationery market. You can find this slide sheet, and slide will be like this. And this is slide sheet materials which I am going to use to make PP kit. And this is ribbon. Anyway, you can get this ribbon. If you cannot find ribbon like this, you can use rope also. And this one is punching machine, and this one also punching machine. This is scissor. This is my mask and sanitizer. So before start my work, I need to sanitize my hand, and I'm using my sanitizer before start my work. And this is my sanitizer. Now I have just sanitized my hand. Now let us come how to make PPE kit at your home while using this slide sheet. First of all, I took one slide sheet and I took this punching machine. Now I'm going to make some hole in this slide sheet in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I made here 4 holes in this slide sheet. And now I have to take some part of this ribbon also to. Now I'm going to take some part of this ribbon. So with the help of the scissor, I cut my ribbon. Now I'm going to insert it in this slide sheet, and in this way you can just insert here like this, and from here, just move put to the another side and pull like this, and again put to the another side. Now I have already crossed 2 holes. Now this one is third hole. Oh sorry, by mistakenly I put it from the wrong way. You have to insert it from this side. Okay, let's see. Hope all of you are getting whatever I'm doing. First of all, I insert in the first hole, then after in the another hole. Now this one is the last hole where I'm going to insert it. Now let's see guys. Now my PP kit is ready. Then before use this PP kit, I have to use my mask. Whenever you will move from your home, whenever you will go in your locality, sometimes you will go to the market, wherever you go, that time you can use. First of all, you have to wear your mask. This one is surgical mask, and then after you have to wear your. Now I'm showing how to use this PP kit. Now our homemade PP kit is ready. Now let's see how to use it. This is so easy. This is very easy, and in this way you can use PP kit. And hope guys you got how to make PP kit at your home with the help of these all materials which I have used. And if you like my video, and if you really wanted to make this kind of PP kit at your home, please like and share this video. Thank you for watching.